Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do unbox the Oppo A92, and this is a new mid-range phone from Oppo which is costing around almost 40,000 PKR in Pakistan market. So in this video I'm gonna unbox this phone and I'm gonna comparing side by side with the Oppo A52 which I have here right now, and you can see. So without any wasting time, let's quickly unbox this phone. And on the back we have some more specification about the phone, and you can see we have a 8 GB of RAM with a 128 GB of internal storage. On the front we have a 6.5-inch 1080p Neo display which is also known as punch hole display. On the back we have a 48 megapixel AI quad cameras on the back with a massive 5000 mAh battery size and the 18-watt fast charging. And the color I have is the twilight black color, and you can see. So let's quickly unbox this phone. And you can see on the top we have this mini box and which contain a silicone case, and you can see it is a soft silicone case that you're getting with the Oppo A92. That's a nice value. And also we have a SIM ejection tool and a quick start guide, and you can see. Now let's put the side here, and here is the Oppo A92, and you can see. And again, main highlighting feature about the Oppo A92. Now let's out the phone from this plastic, and you can see. And the design language, it is very similar to the Oppo A92, and you can see. And now let's put the side here and look inside the box. What else we get? Another than the phone, and we get this 18-watt fast charging, and you can see. And the bay rating on this charger, it is a 9 volt with a 2 ampere, and you can see it is a 18-watt fast charging. And guys, also we get a USB type C cable, and you can see we get USB type C cable. And also we get this Oppo headphones with a headphone jack as well. So now let's put all the stuff to the side and look at the Oppo A92. On the back we have some reflections, and you can see, which comes from the camera bump. On the back we have a quad cameras on the back. So now let's quickly boot this phone up and show you the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB type C port, microphone, headphone jack. On the left we have a SIM tray. You can use one micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full flush SIM slot. And also we have a volume up and volume down rocker. On the right hand side we have a switch on off button with a fingerprint scanner. This phone comes with a side mounted fingerprint scanner. On the top we have nothing, and on the back we have a quad cameras on the back, and the main sensor on the back is a 48 megapixel. Then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel for macro lens, while the Oppo A52 with a 12 megapixel main sensor. That's the only difference between the Oppo A92 and the Oppo A52 in the camera department. And on the front we get a 16 megapixel front camera inside of this notch, and you can see. And again, display size on this phone, it is a 6.5 inch, same as the Oppo A52, and you can see side by side comparison. So now let's quickly, okay guys, and here is the first boot of the Oppo A92, and you can see. And the first boot of the Oppo A92. Now let's increase the brightness little bit, and now let's go to the settings and go to the about phone software information, and you can see this phone, it is running on Android 10 with a Color OS version 7. And also we get a Snapdragon 665 chipset which is same as the Oppo A52, and we get a 128 GB of internal storage out of 110 GB it is available. And you can see we also get a screenshot as well as screen recorder with this phone. Now let's look at the camera, and the main sensor on the back is a 48 megapixel. Then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide which looks like this. I don't see any macro mode on this phone. When I go very close to the camera, it says that macro lens. And also we have this video section. We also get 4K, and the slow motion, it is also available in this phone, and the night mode, it is also available with this phone with ultra wide, and you can see. Now let's look at the front camera, and the front camera, it is coming at 16 megapixel, same as the Oppo A52, and you can see. And the front camera also give you a portrait mode, and you can see. And now let's go to the video section, and the front camera only give you a full HD with a 30 fps video recording size. Now let's talk about the battery life on this phone, and this phone comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery size with a 18-watt fast charging. This phone give you a same battery life, same everything except pretty much same as the Oppo A52 minus 2 features. First is the main lens. Oppo A52 comes with a 12 megapixel main sensor compared to a 48 megapixel main sensor. And other that, this phone comes with a 4 GB of compared to 8 GB of RAM on the Oppo A92. Overall, I have to say that this phone, it is pretty bad in this price range because the chipset, it is pretty outdated on this phone, and also we don't get so much new features compared to Oppo A52. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing video of the Oppo A92. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I don't like this phone right now. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.